How to log in to Walmart Career Portal. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Walmart Career account. So keep watching the video till the very end. Now to log into your account, firstly open up your browser and then in the search box, type in career.walmart.com. Now after you land on the website of Walmart Career, you can see the login option on the top right corner of the screen. From here, choose any option that is relevant for you, and then in the first box, type in your email, and in the passport box, go ahead and type in your password. If you don't remember your password, then you can recover it by simply clicking on the Forgot Your Password option from here, and then you will be able to set a new password. If you have not created your account yet, you can go ahead and create your account by going through this link. And now, when you are done, go ahead and click on Sign In, and then you will be logged into your Walmart Career account. That's it guys, thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.